Andrew Tate has just retweeted a surprising legal development alleging that he and his brother Tristan Tate were falsely accused. In the wiretaps, the two victims who had previously accused the Tate brothers of kidnapping are exposed. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Andrew Tate victims are after his money. New court update. Yeah, you heard it right. According to Andrew's tweet, the Tates were framed. Fans rushed to the kickboxer's defense shortly after he revealed the findings on his own Twitter account, claiming it was evident from the start. Hope he's doing well. Andrew Tate, the self-proclaimed king of toxic masculinity who was arrested in Romania on charges of running a human trafficking ring, is being investigated for 2 counts of rape, according to a court order obtained by the Washington Post. The court order also includes excerpts of extensive phone message conversations demonstrating how Tate and his brother allegedly lured victims to Bucharest. Prosecutors in Romania had already acknowledged publicly that the case contained allegations of rape, but they have refused to provide any information or identify the suspect. A 67-page court judgment that put Tate, 36, and his brother Tristan, 34, into administrative custody at the end of December reveals the charges that prosecutors are investigating against the brothers and 2 Romanian women accused of aiding them in operating a human trafficking network. The 4 were arrested in December on accusations of human trafficking and running a criminal business, and they were ordered detained pending the outcome of the inquiry. According to the court order, none of the defendants have been formally charged, but prosecutors have listed the precise offenses that there is a reasonable suspension each has committed. Their attorneys contend that the absence of charges indicates a lack of evidence and that their continuing detention is a violation of their human rights. According to the court order, Tate's attorneys stated in private court sessions that the sex was consensual. Grande, who has represented celebrities such as Mike Tyson and Chris Brown and who joined the Tate's legal team this week, stated that she cannot comment on particular evidence because the proceedings are confidential, but that the brothers deny all charges. Grande remarked, "It speaks volumes that they have not been charged despite the fact that the inquiry has been going on for so long. Their dwellings were inspected and their electronic gadgets were confiscated, and now in February, their incarceration has been extended." Tate, a former kickboxing champion and dual citizen of the US and UK, is being investigated for allegedly trafficking a Moldovan woman from London and raping her twice in March of last year, once at a hotel in Bucharest and another time at a property in the city, according to a court order first reported by Reuters. According to the court order, Tate is accused of using psychological and verbal pressure to force the woman to have sex with him and 2 other women at the hotel. According to the court order, the second alleged rape occurred 11 days later when Tate used physical aggression and psychological and verbal coercion to force the victim into sexual activity. Detailed WhatsApp discussions between Tate and the lady in London, as well as Tristan Tate and an American woman who's being investigated for trafficking from the US, are contained in the file, along with references to statements made by the women to Romanian police. The messages were duplicated in the file in Romanian, but the Post has translated them into English. They have not been independently verified. The court ruling states that the texts are proof of the ways that the brothers used to earn the trust of victims that they misled, by appearing as affectionate, honest people. According to the court order, Tate, who has millions of online followers, allegedly met the Moldovan woman over Instagram in January of last year, and they began romantically communicating before meeting in February. According to the court decision, the discussion swiftly shifted to a transfer to Romania. Tate stated in a message on February 7th, "So I can keep an eye on you." According to prosecution statements in the court order, the woman voiced concerns about Tate's job after witnessing his internet recordings. It is unclear from the paper whose YouTube videos are being mentioned, but the notorious social media influencer has publicly discussed how he profits from women doing live sexual acts online in videos. Tate stated to the lady in the court-ordered chats that he had utilized a webcam business to launder money and had also begun instructing guys how to create their own. He wrote, "It's all a ruse," assuring her that she could trust him. He assured the victim that he would see her in Romania after completing work in Prague and discussed the possibility of marriage. According to the court order, Tate remarked in one message, "I want to know that you're committed, serious about marriage." "Yes, I am sincere," the woman responded. The prosecutors assert that after landing in Romania, the victims were taken to a residence where Tate made internet pornography. According to the court order, the Moldovan woman texted Tate, "I'm in the house, I feel a bit odd. I wish you would tell me the truth so I can understand what's going on. What exactly do these girls do? According to the court order, Tate responded that the ladies in the residence work for OnlyFans, an internet membership business utilized by sex workers on a large scale. I mean, do they disrobe and all? Maybe anything else? Replied the woman. Nah, just bikini, Tate wrote, and underwear. The following robe, she replied, I figure I would move in with you. It's a little unusual that you paired me with your employees. According to the court order, prosecutors said that victims were pushed into producing pornographic content on the internet after being transformed into slaves. In the court order reproduced chats, the lady informs Tate that she's being requested to create videos for TikTok. According to court documents, Tate replied, just do it, it's easy. According to the statement of one of the victims quoted in the paper, the suspects collected 50% of the online earnings of the women who worked for them. Women were subject to fines if they did not submit the exact content requested, cried during a live session, or took too long a break. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.